out of the darkness that covers me, black as the pit, from pole to pole. I think well and forgot me, for my unconquerable soul. It felt such a circumstance. At that whisper cried aloud, the Blacheri said, my head is bloody. Beyond this day of wrath and tears, looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the pity of the years. Fight and shout at me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, or how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the captain of my fate, and the master of my fate. I'll straight again. I'll be charged with punishment as well. I am the master of my fate, the captain of my soul. And I wish I were